Is your Dyson V15 detect not performing like it used to? A good cleaning can bring it back to life. In this video, I will show you step by step how to properly clean and maintain your Dyson so it stays powerful and efficient for years to come. Let's get started and welcome to MG Factor. First, make sure your vacuum is turned off and unplugged. Hold the vacuum over the trash can and push the red bin release lever. The dustbin will pop open. Empty all debris. For deeper cleaning, remove the bin completely by pressing the release button and wiping the inside with a damp cloth. As you can see in the video, this is your lever to release the bin. Next step, let's clean the filter. Twist and pull to remove it from the top of the vacuum. Rinse filter under cold running water until the water runs clear. Do not use soap or hot water. Shake off excess water and let it air dry for at least 24 hours before putting it back. For cleaning the fluffy roller, release the side release button on the cleaner head and gently pull out the fluffy roller. Use a dry microfiber cloth or soft brush to wipe off loose dirt and dust. If there's tangled hair, carefully cut away with scissors. Use the roller under cold water. Avoid hot water to prevent damage. Gently squeeze out excess dirt while rotating it under running water. Do not use soap or harsh chemical. Use a dry microfiber cloth to wipe the green laser light window. If needed, slightly dampen the cloth with water but avoid soaking the laser lens. Place the roller in a well-ventilated area for at least 24 hours until fully dry. Now let's take care of the brush. Flip the vacuum over and use a coin or a screwdriver to unlock the brush roller. Pull it out and remove any tangled hair or debris. Wipe the brush and the laser sensor with a dry microfiber cloth before reinstalling. In my case, I am using the duster, a pressurized air can, to remove the dust. If your Dyson V15 is not picking up dirt efficiently, check for blockages. Detach the wand and hose and shine a little light inside to spot any debris. Use a long, thin object to clear anything stuck inside. Lastly, wipe down the exterior of your vacuum with a soft, damp cloth to keep it looking like new. Make sure all parts are completely dry before reassembling. And that's it. A cleaning Dyson V15 Detect means better suction, longer life, and top performance. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We are on a mission to hit 250 subscribers. And your support means the world to me. It keeps me motivated to bring you more helpful content. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or video has suggestions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.